Hi. My name is William, and I want to do videos for you. It's really easy. I'm a real human who, using artificial intelligence, is able to speak your message. Just choose me from the gallery, choose a voice you like, write down what you want me to say, and choose a background. The background you select can be an image, a video, or just a color to do a green screen type video. You can build a number of slides or scenes, and create your video. Don't worry about shooting a scene over and over, just to get it right. Every scene you make with Synthesys is perfect, just as it is.
Hi, I'm Amy, another humatar in the Synthesys application. I'm able to work tirelessly to speak your message. You can put any video or image in the background that will help get your idea across. Here is a background video about the commissions funnel. It lets you advertise one link that promotes 4 streams of income. A really big time saver. This application I'm in, Human Synthesys, is also a fantastic time saver. You don't have to stand in front of a camera, shoot multiple scenes, and retake a scene over and over again until you get it right. In just a minute I'll show you how you can get this application for free. Just hang on a minute. As you can see, Human Synthesys sells for $31 a month. That's a bargain price for what you get. Just imagine creating 1 or 2 videos a day, posting them on YouTube or other sites, and using them in your marketing campaigns. You already know that people would rather watch a video than read a page of text. And a video gets your message across quickly and is more effective than a lot of text. So, what I'm offering you is a real bargain. But, just how can you get Human Synthesys without paying this high price? You can get Human Synthesys as a bonus when you join Lead Sleep as a pro member. I'll even show you how to get a Human Synthesys character to speak outside of a video. You can put a Human Synthesys character on any page you want, even on sites you do not own. But, what if you don't know what Lead Sleep is? Just jump over to the site I'm showing here to get all the details. Today is the day, now is the time to take action.